Namaste and welcome back to my channel everyone. This is me Pranita. This is a quick information about the people who have been asking me about kaile huncha Air India ko interview please मलाई भन्नुहोस् यो this and that. So 18 November मा चाहिँ अस्ति दिल्लीमा इन्टरभ्यु भएछ हैन, त्यो चाहिँ मैले मिस गरेँ. So I want you guys to keep checking on Air India को वेबसाइट and the Indigo को वेबसाइट because these guys are hiring in India. अब त झन् बेसी हुन्छ. So I want you guys to frequently 15 days मा नभने पनि per week at least check on their website, official website मा. अगर त्यति नै हुन सक्दैन भने you guys can follow third party Instagram मा, मलाई थाहा छ सबैजना Instagram मा छ, Facebook मा छ, YouTube मा छ. You guys can check. Otherwise you guys can DM me, म चेक गरेर तपाईहरुलाई त्यो लिंक पठाइदिन्छु. त्यो तिनीलाई फलो गरे भने पनि तिमीले अपडेट पाउन सक्छ. Thank you so much for watching and follow for more. Please do comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.